The first time you press the buy button, your hand shakes. You tell yourself it's excitement. It isn't. Your body already knows you just crossed a line you can never uncross. Level 1, the $1,000 account. You funded it on a Sunday night with money you painfully scraped together. You skipped a birthday dinner. You lied to your girlfriend about why. The platform loads and you see your $1,000 balance. It feels heavier than it should. You pick a stock from a random video. You click confirm. The trade goes green. You sell at a small profit. You feel something you've never felt before. Proof that maybe you're different. Then the next trade wipes out your gains. You don't feel destroyed. You feel alive. You deposit another $300 the next day. You call it tuition. You end the month down. But you swear next month will be different. Level 2, the $10,000 account, 7 months later. You've watched hundreds of hours of content. You have a notebook and what you call a system. You moved money you promised you wouldn't touch. A 2% loss now hurts in your chest. One good afternoon nets you $840. You feel invincible. Then a bad read wipes out days of gains. You hide the loss by moving money from another account. You're no longer just trading money. You're protecting the story you tell yourself. Level 3, the $25,000 account. You finally crossed the pattern day trader threshold. It took almost 2 years of sacrifices. You now have 2 monitors and paid tools. You track every metric. You have 3 losing weeks in a row. The uncertainty is brutal. You hire a trading coach. Your relationship quietly falls apart. You are profitable, but you are not yet good. Level 4, the $100,000 account. You cross 6 figures. The number no longer excites you. You manage real money now. You learn to close thoughts as cleanly as you close positions. You begin to see the market as people making decisions under pressure. You find a small group of quiet, serious investors. Normal conversations start to feel empty. Level 5, the $1 million account, 7 figures. You feel no celebration, only a steady, low pressure. Your entries are surgical now. You've learned patience the hard way. Your social circle has shrunk to almost nothing. You keep telling yourself you'll reconnect after the next milestone. Level 6, the 100 million to billion stage. The calls come early in the morning from professionals. You live exceptionally well. But comfort no longer brings joy. The biggest loss is the absence of surprise. The $840 win that once made your hands shake is now just another data point. You have everything money can buy. Yet the game feels strangely quiet. Every level costs you something, not just money or time, but versions of yourself you'll never get back. The broke beginner staring at $1,000, and the billionaire looking at 8 or 9 figures. They are the same person. One of them just doesn't know it yet. If you're about to press buy for the first time tonight, your hand might shake. You'll tell yourself it's excitement. Remember what it really is.